ladies and gentlemen, old guy coming at you again from Triumph in Waukesha. This is the 2023 Triumph Tiger Sport 660. Kind of a half-fared Trident, basically. A little bit different seat. A little bit more commuting focused, in my opinion. You can get bags for this. There's a lot of different options. And handlebars have a nice rise to them, so it's probably going to be pretty comfortable to go down the road. The specs on this is a 660cc triple cylinder engine, 81 brake horsepower, 47 foot-pounds of torque, weighing in at 455 pounds. Not super heavy. Does have a pretty tall seat height, 32.9 inches. So I am 5'9" tall. I have a 30-inch inseam. So throwing a leg, I have to get my leg pretty high. And yeah, I'm on the balls of my feet. Leg position with my hands out. Yeah, it's a comfortable seating position. So we have an inverted Showa suspension, non-adjustable, dual 310 millimeter discs, 2 piston calipers, from what it looks like, from Nissan. Steel braided brake length, which is nice. LED indicators, and it's a 120/70/17 front tire. So in the back we have a single shock with a remote preload adjuster, which is nice. This would be a 255 millimeter disc in the back, a single piston Nissan caliper. This is chain driven. And we have a 180/55/17 in the back. It does have that underslung box exhaust on the bottom. So, you kind of look at that. I always love looking around. It's got the standard Trident dashboard. It does not have cruise control. Kind of wish it did have cruise control. I wonder if that's an option. It's an electronic throttle, so theoretically, should be able to get one. Ultimately, we're just going to have to take it out on the road and see what it's like to ride. All right, let's go hit the road for a little ride on the Tiger Sport, which is, just getting off the jump. God, this bike is super comfy. So 47 foot-pounds of torque, no quick shifter. Incredibly comfortable. Nice upright ergonomics. Yeah. And the Tiger Sport 660 kind of falls into that category of, as I said, it's a commuter. And it's a good one. It's very, very comfortable. The engine is perfect for the street. It's a sweet spot, and it's wonderful. This 660cc engine is smooth, refined, don't have a lot of vibrations in it. Just yeah, it's just good. And what more can you ask for? Honestly, what more can you ask for? It's not super heavy at 455 pounds as the claimed wet weight. So
Yeah, footless stops. I'm gonna grab onto the handlebars. There's a little bit of vibration there, but it's not bad. I mean, it's what you would expect from just about any bike. The foot pegs, like no vibrations. Let's see if I can get another footless. Oh God. Yeah, it's super balanced. That's the thing about this bike. It's super balanced. Everything is just right where it's supposed to be. It's not cheap. I mean, $9,600. There's a lot of bikes in that price category. I mean, Z900. I mean, as far as naked bikes go, you know, Z900. You have. I mean, there's a lot of bikes in this 9,000 or 8,600 to, you know, $10,600 price category that you can buy. Let's see if I can flip a U-turn. Yeah, I've had better U-turns, but not a bad one. Does not have an adjustable clutch lever, which irritates me. Because I think all levers should be adjustable on every bike, and then there's no need to change levers at that point. Because an adjustable lever does give you a lot of... Having an adjustable lever is important to me. I think that's what I remember the most, is how easy this bike is to ride. I mean, the Trident is very easy to ride too, but I felt like this was so much more comfortable than the Trident that it's like, well, I just spend the extra $1,000, you know, and get this over the Trident if that's what I was, you know, looking at. And it's just for the comfort. See, it's not a super fast bike. But it's got just enough power to be completely serviceable on the street. I mean, it's not a track bike. It's not track focused. It's not what it's for. All-around commuter. Just a great all-around commuter. It's a quick motorcycle. It's not slow by any means. And my rider position, my rider comfort on this, it's just so good. Just give me cruise control on this, and I am in heaven right now. Even got a pretty good stand-up position, to be honest. Very flickable, holds its line very well, it's very easy to ride. You're just going to put it into the corner and it just holds there. Very nice. Very nice. still have a little bit of a sporty feel. My hands are way lower than I'd want them to be right now. And it really isn't a lot for me to grab. But it's, yeah. I mean, all around, it's just really good. That's it. It's all around. An all-around bike. It's a really good bike. I can't pick out much to complain about, and usually I can find something to complain about. It doesn't have an adjustable clutch lever. Okay, I can complain about that. It should have that. But other than that, I mean, I got nothing. I got nothing to complain about. Slow speed's really easy, comfortable. I mean, is the seat height a little tall? Okay, sure. For me, yeah, 5'9", it's a little tall. But, yeah, it's just good at everything. It's a good little bike. It's got ABS, it's, you know, remote preload adjuster. Good God, I don't know what else you can ask for, really, other than adjustable brake lever and maybe a lower seat. (2023) Triumph Tiger Sport 660. If you need a commuting bike to get back and forth, you get the bags, just slide in. Yeah, I mean, yeah. It's just a good bike. It's, you know, that's awesome, actually. You know, that you can find just a good bike. Everybody, if you haven't already, like, subscribe. Love to have you come in and talk and share your thoughts about any bike we have and any bike we've ridden, and I'd just love to hear from everybody. This is the most important thing, is getting more people out on two wheels and sharing the experience of these bikes. Incredible pleasure for me, and I greatly appreciate everybody who watches and subscribes. All right, everybody, stay safe, and as always, enjoy the ride.